Technology. Sometimes it goes unnoticed, but it's all around us. It's what powers us. It's what moves us. It's what connects us. As someone involved in business, you understand this. You know the advantages of having an optimized system. You realize the disadvantages of not having one. Nicolet Tech is here to help you with any or all IT needs. We offer top-of-the-line IT setup, maintenance, and support. No matter the business, no matter the size, we have the experience, track record, and capabilities to handle every situation that comes our way. Our goal is to make this complex area something you don't have to worry about, but instead have the confidence that it's being done right and, most importantly, helping you grow your business. Service, solutions, support. We power Twin Cities business.